Hey guys, it's me again. I am here with my phonemic awareness cards, and we are here for another fun-filled phonemic awareness activity. You know, these things stick, so I'm not even going to warn you about it ahead of time. We're just going to have to deal with it. So if I turn the cards around or I accidentally stick two together, just be forgiving. All right, letter is, sound is. 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 Yep, we have our first stuck one of the day. Letter is, sound is. 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 Here's our next stuck one. Letter is, sound is. 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 There we go. Letter is, sound is. Letter is, sound is. Letter is, sound is. All right, so we're on day 3 of phonemic awareness. So by this time, I think you have a pretty good idea of how it goes. Today is not going to be much different than the other days this week. So let's get started. I'm going to give you 2 words. I want you to give me a thumbs up if they rhyme and a thumbs down if they don't. Here we go. Rain, train. Sit, seat. My, try. 10, 6. Rose, job. Fox, dog. Ran, fan. Mice, nice. Top, hop. Sock, block. Great. All right, the next thing we're going to do is that onset fluency where we're trying to find just the very beginning sound in a word. So I'm going to give you a word, you're going to repeat it, and then say the sound at the beginning. Vase. Yes. Table. Cut. Bell. Wag. Zip. Big. Dig. Fox. Excellent. All right, now we're going to go back to blending words. So I'm going to give you 2 words, remember with my hand, and then you're going to repeat those 2 words and clap them together to make the new word. Here we go. Sun, day. Tip, toe. Snow, flake. Keyboard. Something. Drive, way. Bathrobe. Sandbox. Doorbell. Backbone. Excellent. All right. Oops, I just covered up the camera. Sorry about that. So now I'm going to give you a word, and we're going to focus on the ending sound. Remember, I give you the word, then you say it and you really emphasize and punch out that ending sound. Peg. Has. Corn. If. Bat. Cage. Crib. No. Twig. Love. Fantastic. All right, now we are going to break a word apart. So I'm going to give you a word, remember? And then you're going to repeat the word and break it down into two separate parts. The word is playground, doghouse, cardboard, haircut, outside, footprints, snowman, pickup, moonlight, lipstick. Okay, great job. This is the tricky one now. We're going to substitute words. This is the one where I give you a word and I kind of show you my fists, and then I shake a fist for you to swap out that part of the word to something new. Here we go. Softball. Change soft to volley. Friday. Change fry to birth. Lifeboat. Change life to sail. Cupcake. Change cup to pan. Ponytail. Change pony to pig. Greenhouse. Change green to light. Runway. Change run to drive. Toenails. Change toe to finger. Excellent job. All right, that was all with phonemic awareness today. You're getting better already. I will see you tomorrow for one more phonemic awareness lesson this week. Have a great Wednesday.